question says the sport with the fastest moving ball is JLI, where measured speed have reached 303 km per hour. If a professional JLI player faces a ball at the speed and involuntarily blinks, he blacks out the scene for 100 milliseconds. How far does the ball move during the blackout? Okay, so let me write what's given. First, the measured speed is given as 303 km. Measured speed equal to 303 km per hour, right? So we are again converting it into the SI unit, which is meter and second. So here speed will be converted into meter per second, so we are multiplying it with 5 by 18 meter per second. So this will give us a value of 84.17 meter per second. Now here it is saying the measured speed have reached 303 km per hour. So we are assuming that there will be no acceleration and the speed will be constant. Okay, so we can directly write s equal to ut plus half at square, where a is 0. So we can again make this part as 0. We can write s equal to ut. U, as we have found out, 84.17, and the time it's given 100 millisecond. Okay, so I'm writing here s is s, u is 84.17, and time is 100 milliseconds. So 100 into 10 to the power minus 3, which will give me 84.17 into 0.1, which we can write it as 8.417 meter. So this statement says, this answer says that the moment that person blinks, the ball will move almost 8.4 or 8.5 meter at the time of blackout. So that's all.